When you pack the machine, then we have to connect the water tube. We have marked A, this side A. So the machine connects the water tube. This side. And the B connection water chiller B position. Okay. After we can fill up the water to water chiller. 开始。The water we up to this side is enough for clean color side. So add the water to here position. And now we can connection the XY axis of the table. Then you can connect the panda. It means switch for the switch for press the laser. This is a rotary device supply, and this is the working table cable. This is a power supply for R1, R2, R3, and N cable, P cable, 3-phase voltage. Now we can connect the water chiller power supply. And this is the nitrogen gas power. When you welding the metal or you prepare the mold, you have to connect the nitrogen gas. And the gas pressure need to 0.3 to 0.5 MPa. When you turn on the press the start button, after the touch panel will be it's on. It will be wait 40-second time to turn on the converter machine. Show you normal that the machine can work.不用擦，不用甩甩。This is adjust the rotary rotating speed. Then now you can see the rotary.
有没有注意参数？我们这